Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. My name is Abian Takiboinge from Information Technology morning class.
My name is Muhammad Fatikan Ilham. I from Technology Information.
What's your topic about?
Topic about is Jepang.
Japan.
Yes.
Okay guys, this time we will discuss about Japan. Here we doesn't know Japan. Yes, Japan is country known for is food. Makanan populer Jepang masih pada tahu dong apa? Itu sushi.
Betul.
Not only that we discuss for this time, there are many that we will discuss in this video. Let's just watch this video. Let's go. Here my friend, and I will tell you about Japan. Before I want to ask what it's like to work in Japan.
I will answer this question. A question from some article name in general people often mention that Japan people like to work hard, like be to in group and so on.
Oh, that means to work there forget time. Apakah dia sering melupa waktu saat bekerja?
No.
Kenapa?
Forgetting time, but they are so busy with work that Japan people and group speed work in Japan are known for their dedication to the company the work. They are also known for their ability to work long hours. Japan even has a special team currency which means a work ethic where work to death.
Oh, well, how is the condition of Japan, which is currently being eroded by the number of its workforce due to the drastic drop in the number of marriages and births.
Therefore, the cost not to have children are just unperson because of the really high cost of living and education for children in Japan. On the other hand, the life expectancy of Japan people is getting higher.
That means Japan people are very minimal in their workforce in their own country.
Yes, that's right. The Japan government really needs professional workers from other countries such as Indonesian who work a lot from intercept to work in Japan. In Japan is also famous for its work discipline. Do you think that Japan has a high principle of discipline and is also the number on the country in the of discipline?
Karena Jepang itu negara paling maju, dikenal juga kan sebagai dari Indonesia ya. Dikenal in Jepang itu tepat waktu, terlebih di stasiun pekerjaan masinis lah. Telat waktu saja bisa dipotong gaji atau dari atasan tuh parah emang. I have read that is Japan discipline is number one in principle. Why is Japan very safe country?
Japan is safe because it have very high individual self-esteem, so that committing a crime will be. And being Japan is also thick with its culture in the dignity and also its manner. All is culture in Japan.
Japan has a culture including Ken Chanyu. Bahasanya sangat susah sih, bahasa Jepang soalnya.
Oh.
Judo, Jiu-Jitsu, and Karate.
Oh.
Ikebana, Karakuri in the field of religion. Japan Religionis Shintoism, bahasanya susah banget. Which saw a combination of worshipping the sun god Amaterasu and worshipping ancestral spirits. Other Japan cultures that are inherent in society include being thrifty, uploading courtesy, working hard, being highly disciplined, and never giving up.
What is different between Indonesian and Jepang culture? Apa sih bedanya Jepang kultur Jepang sama Indonesia? Gimana sih bedanya itu? Gimana sih bedanya Jepang sama itu? Sama Indonesia?
There are so many difference in Indonesia and Japan culture, starting from religion, then in terms of discipline. The Japan are very disciplined compared to Indonesian society. The rules or order in Japan are extraordinary.
What tourist attraction do you know in Jepang? Apa sih tempat wisata yang ada di Jepang itu ada apa aja?
Di
Yang kau
Jepang
tahu?
sangat terkenalnya Gunung Fuji ya.
Iya.
Tapi masih banyak yang lainnya seperti tourist attractions that I know in Japan have Tokyo Tower,
Yeah.
Mount Fuji, Higashiyama, and also Nara Park.
Have you ever been to Jepang? Apa kamu pernah ke Jepang? Dan apa kamu punya impian ke Jepang?
Sangat punya impian sih, terlebih ke Gunung Jepang.
Oh.
Apalagi
Makanan sushi.
Iya, sushi asli di sana, penasaran saya.
Okay.
I have never been to Japan, but I had a dream to go to Japan to know firsthand the atmosphere in Japan.
Kesimpulan dari saya tentang Jepang itu, my personal response to Japan is that Japan is extraordinary clean country where they adhere to the rules for disposing of the trash in its place, which is different in the test. Japan people who are disciplined and also hard working at work. People with police attitude. Kalau tarik Anda kesimpulan tentang Jepang itu gimana sih?
Kalau saya kesimpulannya, my response to Japan that Japan is very developed country and very disciplined or very appreciative of time. As a developing country is as a developing country in various aspects, for example in the technology aspect, and as a colonial power in the Second World War and the loss in the Second World War. The two cities were bombed by the Allies. Jadi itu
gimana?
Jepang itu teknologinya sangat maju daripada Indonesia. Seperti Indonesia drone juga masih baru-baru, masih bertahap kan.
Yeah.
Di Jepang udah benar-benar masuk ke mobil terbang udah ada di sana.
It's very good.
Kalau Jepang sendiri, kalau buat tanggapan Anda sendiri itu seperti apa ya?
Jepang itu apa ya? Menurut saya itu Jepang itu seorang yang bekerja keras, disiplin, jujur, juga sopan, baik. Itulah tanggapan saya tentang Jepang.
Oke guys, jadi itu kesimpulan dari kami berdua. Dan selanjutnya tuh ada peraturan-peraturan aneh yang ada di Jepang. Jadi more weird rules only in Japan.
Oh,
The first, you can visit swimming pool and saunas if you have a tattoo. There is no formal law about prohibiting tattoos. Tattoo. However, there are signs in public place prohibiting people with tattoo from visiting swimming pool and sauna. The this rule even extend to tourists. Jadi peraturan intinya tuh yang pertama, Anda tidak dapat mengunjungi kolam renang dan sauna jika Anda
emang?
memiliki tato.
Oh, jadi kalau ada tato nggak boleh tuh.
Nggak boleh.
Oh.
Nah, jadi yang kedua ada the age of sexual contents is 13 years. In Japan, people can legally have sexual relations from the age of 13, but they can only marry when they are 18 years old. Previously under Japan law, girls could marry and 16 and boys after 18, but now the rules are different. Both boys and girls must be 18 years old to be married. Jadi tuh yang kedua itu intinya di usia persetujuan seksual adalah 13 tahun di Jepang. Seseorang secara legal dapat melakukan hubungan seksual sejak usia 13 tahun. Tetapi mereka hanya dapat menikah saat berusia 18 tahun. Sebelumnya menurut hukum Jepang, anak perempuan boleh menikah pada usia 16 tahun dan anak laki-laki 18 tahun. Tapi sekarang aturannya berbeda. Baik anak laki-laki maupun perempuan harus berusia 18 tahun. The next.
Oke. Dari saya sendiri, you can dance in the nightclub. Japanese law say that you cannot dance in a place smaller that 16.5 square meter, and to open a dance club you need to get a special dance license. Jadi itu Anda tidak bisa menari di klub malam. Hukum Jepang itu mengatakan Anda itu tidak boleh menari di tempat malam yang lebih kecil dari 65 meter persegi, dan untuk membuka klub dansa Anda perlu mendapatkan lisensi menari tersebut. Jadi harus dapatkan lisensinya dulu tuh.
Ribet sekali ya ternyata.
Iya, emang ribet kalau di Jepang itu. Nah, terus selanjutnya itu ada do not to garbage in public place. You won't see trash bis in public in Japan. This is connected to the culture itself because science taught the Japan were taught to shoot that trash and to it away at home. Another season is that there was a terrorist attack on the Tokyo subway in 1995, and the government decided to remove the trash can so that bombs could and be planted. Jadi itu Jepang jangan membuang sampah di tempat umum. Anda tidak akan melihat tempat sampah di tempat umum kalau di Jepang. Aturan ini terkait dengan budaya itu sendiri. Jadi di budaya Jepang itu kayak gitu. Aturan ini sejak dari kecil orang Jepang diajarkan untuk membuang sampah pada tempatnya, dan itu di rumah membuang sampahnya. Jadi sampah yang misalkan Anda makan sampah Anda makan makanan, sampahnya itu dibawa balik, jadi dibuangnya itu di rumah, nggak boleh dibuang di tempat sembarangan tempat gitu.
Oh, seperti itu. Ternyata berbeda sekali sama di Indonesia ya.
Iya, beda. Kultur di Indonesia itu berbeda.
Oke guys, cukup kali ini saja topik pembicaraan kita. Ya, walaupun sedikit agak kurang ya berbahasa Inggris kita.
Speak English, ya.
Jadi oke, thanks everyone. But I'm so sorry bahasa Inggris dari kami berdua agak kurang lancar atau speak up kurang bagus. Dari kami sekian dan terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.